has the most wackiest theories. And some of the questions are, why did MSP ARPA text change? Why is there form in spammers? Why do we log off when we log on? Why is there VIP glitches? Why did MSP change? We have narrowed MSP down to the last and final draw. We, as hunters, did our studies. They have so many questions, rants, and unfocused backgrounds. Why do us hunters find the hidden, unexplained answers to MSP? That is a hard question for me. Why do we protect MSP? It is because your accounts are in danger due to hackers. And I have studied MSP since the day I have started. And more weird/wacky things have been happening. MSP fixed some issues, but not others. For example, the 2 people on your account, that has been fixed, but why, you may ask? Well, that is unsolved as well. We are still saving MSP every moment when you log on. Yesterday, I heard that the Clown, Dolly, Philly, Anonymous, and the Grim are back. The last questions were narrowed down all to safe chat. MSP isn't safe. I can tell you that for the children's game. We are also protecting it. So, if you want to stay safe, just ask a hunter. Bye.